Good morning. Today I'm going to show you the contents of the bread maker that I has a capacity of 500 grams to 1000 grams and has 19 functions. Now what does this do? What are those 19 functions? I'll show you before this video ends. Now in the meantime, let me show you the contents of this bread maker. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I am not paid to do this. Okay, let's open it. Of course, this is the case. Inside it, you'll find the bread pan. It has a handle that you can also remove. Okay, it has a blade. That's also removable. Okay, it has a specific shape that matches that rod inside the pan. Okay, to remove, counterclockwise. To place it in, clockwise. There. And then the bread maker also comes with this measuring tablespoon and teaspoons. That's the teaspoon. Okay. In the manual, it refers to this as spoon, but this is actually a teaspoon. And this is the tablespoon. In the manual, it refers to this as scoop. So it has lines also for 1/2, 3/4, etc. Now this is the hook that I think would remove the blade when you bake it together with the bread. But I'm not really using it because I'm removing the blade. I don't like the blade to be included. Okay, so that's how you remove the blade when you bake it with the bread. I also saw some to lift this pan like that, but I'm not sure if that's really its use. I don't really use this hook. And then we have um, the cup. Sorry, the cup. Okay, the measuring cup. I think you can use this both for the liquid and the dry ingredients. And of course, you have the manual. Instructions on how to use the machine, how to clean the machine, troubleshooting, and also it has recipes there. Again, what I would like you to note concerning this recipe is when it says scoop, that's actually tablespoon, and when it says spoon, that's actually teaspoon. Now, what are the functions of this bread machine or bread maker? Okay, here they are.